Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshi. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Libra at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Humingi po ako ng inyong pangunawa kung bakit hindi po ako nakakapag-upload kaagad dahil po nagkaroon po ako ng technical problem sa aking mga equipment. Nasira po kasi yung aking computer at hindi po agad na karoon ng replacement. Kaya medyo natagalan po tayo at yung lagi ko pong nababasa sa comments na, well, some of you naman, hindi naman po lahat, na yung mahina pa rin po kasi yung aking microphone. Kaya I'm trying my best to upgrade yung aking mic at para naman po makapagbigay po ako sa inyo ng magandang video every time po na may reading tayo. Okay? So, tumalon po yung card. Ang sabi dito, I am the man. Ako yung lalaki. Okay? So, kung gaba, pinapakita lang dito kung sino yung, kung gaba namumuno o sino yung in terms of superiority, no, yung in this case yung lalaki. Sinasabi niya, ako yung lalaki sa relasyon, ako yung masusunod. Kung gaba parang dinidemand mo na ikaw yung mas bigyan ng parang authority over the relationship. Now, of course, pagdating po sa tarot, ang gender po is fluid. So, ibig sabihin po, applicable po ito sa babae at lalaki, sa parehong gender po, which is babae or lalaki. Kasi same-sex relationship naman, meron usually na tumatayo na mas superior o tumatayo parang siya yung lalaki dun sa relationship. Okay? O yung masculine side. Okay? So, let us see sa tarot kung ano yung lalabas sa reading. The Knight of Cups. Okay. The Ten of Swords. The Ten of Pentacles. The Star. And the Two of Cups. Yung bottom niya, Libra, is the Eight of Wands. Okay, so ang start ng card mo dito, Libra, is the Knight of Cups. Ito yung energy na noong umpisa, maybe in the past, no? Definitely may nag-offer ng pagmamahal. It could be you or it could be your person. Okay? Kasi Knight of Cups is siya yung kung gaba nag-move forward to offer that love, no? May yung ibang depiction kasi o yung picture ng sa original tarot cards is yung knight, no, is nakasakay sa kabayo at may hawak siyang kupita na naka-forward na gano'n. So it is a sign or parang binibigyan niya ng symbolism that since hawak niya yung cup, which means love, nag-offer siya, nag-move forward siya, gumagalaw siya to offer that love, to let you know exactly na meron siyang feelings towards you. Okay? So, maganda naman yung umpisa mo, no? Because it is something that is very, sabihin natin, honest, no? Kasi this, you might be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, o meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. Kaya, kung ba parang, umpisa pa lang, alam mo na may pagtingin sa'yo, o may feelings towards you. O ikaw, meron kang nararamdaman na ganun, no? Yung likeness and eventually love dun sa person na o-offer ka ng love. Okay? So, take it as it resonates, Libra. Now, ano yung naging problem or challenge? Ten of Swords. No? Ten of Swords is maraming nasabing hindi maganda or things that's been hurtful. Marami sigurong naging communication or maybe the lack of, it could be a lot or medyo may kakulangan sa pagsasalita o sa pagko-communicate. Kasi ito yung sinasabi na meron ng ending, no? Pagtatapos. 10 is a number of ending. So, swords is something to do with communication. And it means that nagkaroon ng ending yung yung pagkaroon ng ugnayan. No, maybe something happened in between this. Nag-offer ng love, but somehow it ended, no? May nagkaroon ng ending yung pag-uusap nyo, pagsasalita or pagko-communicate. And that became a problem or a challenge dito sa relationship na to. Now, action to be taken is something na the Ten of Pentacles, ito dapat yung ginawa no, para hindi nagkaroon ng ending na pagtatapos na to ng Ten of Swords. Kasi sabi ko, di ba, this is Ten of Swords and this is Ten of Pentacles. Ito naman yung pagdating sa kabuhayan, kasi this is Pentacles, is really working on it, no? Pinagtrabahuhan mo to dapat ng mabuti para makamit mo lahat ng magagandang material na bagay habang kayo ay magkasama. Okay? Habang meron kayong relasyon sa isa't isa. Maybe this is one of the reason kung bakit nagkaroon ng ending yung relationship. Kasi it started very good, no? May love, and I think you somehow had that relationship, but it ended. Maybe it's something to do with finances, pera. Okay, yung kabuhayan o yung pagsasama. Now, ano yung intention mo? Of course, you are praying, no? You're wishing and manifesting na sana maayos pa namin itong relationship na to. Kasi the star is also a energy of healing, no? Paggagaling. O maging maayos yung relationship. I think you still have that intention na sana maayos pa namin ito. As if you don't want to give it up just like that, but you wanted another chance, a second chance para maayos nga yung relationship. Because sabi ko nga, it started with love. Nag-umpisa talaga ng maganda, may pag-ibig. Okay? And again, the outcome, which I really love, is also something to do with love. This is the Two of Cups. Maybe at the end, no, kahit na sabihin natin meron naging kaguluhan, kayo pa rin at the end. Kayo pa rin sa dulo. Okay? So, pwedeng maraming lang kayong pinagdaanan o pagsusubok sa relationship, but towards the end or the outcome or what you were hoping na maging advice na dito sa reading na to is maging kayo pa rin, magkatuluyan pa rin kayo yung magsama ng pangmatagalan. Okay? Kasi this is really telling each other na, yeah, we are meant to be. We're meant to be together. No? For the rest of our lives. This is really saying that you are my soulmate. You are the one. Ikaw ang gusto ko talaga. maybe we have to go through a lot of these challenges, no? Para kasi makita natin, ma-realize natin eventually na ikaw nga talaga yung gusto ko. Ikaw talaga yung para sa akin. Kasi, no, you wish for it, you pray for it. You manifested na magkaayos pa kami. Maayos ko pa ito. No? And being the man, I think if you are the one, sabihin na natin na may at fault, of course, I'm not saying you are, but depende sa situation nyo, but if you are the one, syempre you man up, no? Pakalalaki ka para isabihin mo na nagkamali ako and I wanted a second chance. Okay? Depende na ngayon doon sa person mo kung tatanggapin ka niya ulit because we all have our own free will. You have to remember that. No? May kanya-kanya tayong desisyon pang sarili. Binigyan tayo ng karapatan ng Diyos para gawin yon, para makapag-isip tayo para sa ating sarili kung ano yung makakabuti. So it all depends now on your person kung willing pa siya to give this relationship a second chance. By the way, I think things are coming up. Meron namang pag-asa no? Kasi with the Two of Cups here. And of course, ang nagiging sinasabi lang dito at the end of the card is with the Eight of Wands, communicate. Mag-usap. Yun lang naman di ba? You need to talk, you need to explain, you need to make that effort to let the person know exactly how you felt. No, maybe nakahiwalay kayo o during yung time na magkakagulo kayo, you have to open up, be honest. Kasi doon ka lang niya maiintindihan And malay mo, through that, no, makita niya ng person mo yung talagang sincerity mo. Kasi in this day and age, no, hindi naman lahat ng tao sincere. Di ba? Meron pa rin nagtatago o naglilihim sa mga ginagawa. Lalo na kung alam nilang mali at makakasakit. Di ba? Kaya rather than getting into that fight, nagsisinungaling, naglilihim, dinideny, things like that. But on the contrary, it should be the one that you be being open about it, honest about it, and tell the reason why did you do it. Bakit mo ginawa? Diba? And be brave enough, man enough to accept the consequences, kung ano man yun. And of course, always pray and wish na to forgive you. Kasi, syempre, lahat tayo masasaktan Diba? Masasaktan talaga. But, nasa tao na yun kung if they're willing to forgive and give you another second chance. Okay? So, let us see. Bakit andito yung Ten of Swords? Bakit andito yung Ten of Swords? We have the Five of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, and the King of Wands. Okay, so yung pagtatapos dito, yung bakit nag-cause ng ending o naging very problematic or sabihin natin challenging is because I think there were some regrets sa past. May regret ka meron kang pinagsisisihan. With the Page of Pentacles, it does have something to do. It is a message of sending yung resources mo, yung pera mo It has really something to do with money kasi may regret ka about money, no? Maybe you did not send that message through o hindi mo pinaalam kung ano man yun. And what happened was the King of Wands is yung ano kasi itong energy ng King of Wands is really more of yung parang, let's say, you wanted to enjoy, you wanted, to party. Though you have this idea of being a good person, very sabihin natin na charismatic or friendly, yung mga ganon. I think you went too far for being so much of a fire sign, no? Kasi this is an energy coming from a fire sign. Yung person might have an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius sa kanyang chart, no? So, yung energy na yon na talagang baka nasobrahan. And it has something to do with money. Kaya may regrets. Kaya nagkaroon kayo ng ending. This might have caused the fight kung bakit nagkagulo. Kasi isusunod ng card mo dito is the Ten of Pentacles, which is really having it all, no? Yung magkakaroon ka talaga ng lahat ng kayamanan, o sabihin natin very stable ka pagdating dito sa pagpupundar ng kaperahan para sa iyong sarili at sa iyong pamilya. Okay na even na hanggang katandaan mo meron ka, masagana ka. But it is something na parang nagkaroon ng ending Yung sinasabi dito na yung pinapangarap mong ganito, na maging ganitong buhay nyo, parang natapos. Nagkaroon ng pagtatapos. And I guess it has something to do with money. Maybe you overdone, or somebody has really enjoy him or herself, parang nadala, parang ganon. Nadala sa pag-enjoy ng buhay, pag-iinom, pagpa-party, or maybe pagbabarkada, whatever reason behind this, hindi natuloy yung pangarap na magkaroon ng 100% abundance sa future. Okay? Yung magkaroon ng stability and security in terms of money, relationship, all of those hindi natupad, or in other words, hindi natupad. Okay? So, at andito yung star. The Seven of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. Okay, Libra. So, ang kailangan, no, the one that you've been wishing for or hoping na mahil, sana yung pinag-intay-intay mo, no, the time that you have waited or invested sa relationship na to, sana nga talagang mag-mature na siya, no? Like this, I'm the man. Yung tipong ipakita mo na ikaw yung lalaki, ikaw yung padre di pamilya, o ikaw yung namumuno, ikaw yung merong kapasidad para kumita ng marami. Like the King of Pentacles rather. So, di ba? Kita mo may hawak siyang pera, so I'm counting money. It is really what you should be, kung ba parang hoping for, na meron kang ganitong qualities, no, to be able to provide that financial needs or requirement ng family mo. And at the same time, with the King of Cups, is to provide also that emotional side ng relationship, which is yung love, na yung caring, attention, understanding, lahat yun. Diba? So, hindi lang pera, kundi pati pag-ibig. So, iniintay mo to. You have waited, or you have invested a lot of time for this relationship. Para sana nga makita mo na ito na nga yung tao na gusto ko, kasi magiging masagana ako sa kanya in terms of money. I'll be feeling so secure. At the same time, ganun din sa aking emotions, na alam ko mahal ako nito. Hindi ako lulukuhin. So that's what you've been wishing for. Now, bakit andito yung Two of Cups? We have the Nine of Swords, the Moon, and the Eight of Pentacles. Now, ang sinasabi dito, Libra, is the Nine of Swords is really, kung ba parang nagwo-worry ka sa gabi, no? You cannot stop thinking about this person to a point na parang, I really need to go back and make amends, no? Ayusin ko to. Though, with the moon, alam ko na meron pa mga bagay na hindi ko alam, or sabihin natin na malabo, or baka meron pang nasisikreto na hindi ko alam. I don't know. No? The moon is something that is truly unknown to you. Hindi mo alam, hindi mo nakikita yung buong picture. You don't know the future, what's coming up. Pero kahit na ganun, yung nararamdaman mo, with the Eight of Pentacles, you're willing to work on it. You're willing to work on to the relationship para maayos niyo ito. And that is why you are given that opportunity na, sige, ganyan ang attitude mo, or this is what you felt. Bigyan kita ng pagkakataon na maging kayo muli. But you have to really show. Kasi nakikita ko, nagwo-worry ka, you keep thinking about this. But you have to show that effort. This time, you really mean business. Na mag-effort ka talaga na maayos ito. Mag-ipon, magpundar, magtrabaho mabuti, ayusin ang sarili, no? Gumawa ng tama para matupad itong pangarap mo na maging kayo muli. Okay? So, maayos naman siya. So, this is not totally a hopeless case for kung sino mang Libra itong nakuha nating energy ngayon. And it is really telling you na may pag-asa pa. No? May pag-asa pa to. So, huwag kang mahinaan ng loob. And let us see kung ano natin. Matutuloy ba itong bago natin question. Magkakabalikan ba kayo? Kakabalikan ba? Yes. With the Justice card, ito ay yes na yes. Kasi ang sinasabi dito ay, oo, justice is all about relationship. It's about getting into another contract, diba? Magkakaroon kayo ng pagkakataon na magkabalikan. And hopefully, kung di ba kayo kasal before, baka this time magpapakasal na talaga kayo. Ang timing naman ito, kailan mangyayari? Things will unfold as they are meant to. Okay? Things will unfold as they are meant to. So, mangyayari ito kung kailan siya talaga. Huwag natin isipin ng oras o panahon. Kung ito ay mangyayari, ito ay mangyayari. Okay? So, tignan natin ano yung advice. Worry. Tama siya. Ito, nag-worry ka. I am learning that worry doesn't change an outcome. Tama. Diba? Hindi porket nag-worry ka, magbabago yung outcome. I would like to show you the card. Ito, no? Dito sa outcome natin. Worry is the same as the 9 of Swords. You worry. Okay? Diba sabi ko kanina, lagi ka nag-iisip. Palagi ka nag-iisip for something that's truly unknown. So, huwag mo isipin yon. Huwag mo isipin yon. Okay? Para hindi mo siya ma-manifest. Okay? Hindi dumating. Kasi, yun yung mga bagay na minsan, di ba, kakaisip natin. Which is what you are doing. Yun yung nangyayari. Kaya, stop thinking of negative things. Start thinking of positive things. Kasi kung mag-iisip ka rin man, isipin mo na, magkakabalikan kami, magkakaayos kami, magkakaroon na ako ng maayos na trabaho, makakapag-ipon ako, makakabili akong bahay, kotse, etc. Ganyan, no? This is what exactly you should be doing. Okay? Rather than worrying na baka di ka magkatuloy. Think all positive things. Always positive. Okay? So kung kanino man itong Libra na nakuha nating enerhiya, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyo ng malaki. Maraming salamat sa pagsama. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.